Hello guys, this video is about the Blink Mini 2 setup. As you can see, I have a Blink Mini 2 here already working with this LED blinking blue and the other one is steady green, so the camera is good to go. I have my app here, the Blink app. I just open it, and if I have to log in, I just log in. In this case, I already have it logged in, and I just come here and click this to add a new camera. Select here mini cameras, and now it's time to read the QR code, okay? So the QR code's in the back of the camera. So I just grab here my cell phone and I read the QR code on the camera. There we go. Put it back here. And now I need to add to a system, to a home system, or create a new one, okay? Let me just move this box back there, and then you can continue here with the camera. So basically here, I'm gonna add to the home system, the one that I'm using. I just click continue, I disarm the system. Every time you need to add a new camera, you need to disarm the system. That's common with Blink. And here it says there's supposed to be blinking blue and steady green, which it is. So I'm good to go here. Just click discover device and join. Now I just need to wait for a while. And I also need to insert my Wi-Fi password so the cell phone can send the information to the camera. So here we go. Let me just select here my Wi-Fi and insert my password. So there we go. I just click join, and now it's sending the information to the camera, okay? So let me just put the camera back there so we can check better here with the cell phone, everything that's happening. It takes a while to send the information to the camera, and then we are good to go. Here we go. Mini 2 camera added to the home system. And now I have the Blink plan because I have a new camera, so I can have the trial working here and recording into the cloud, okay? So I just click OK. And here I can click to see the image of the camera, and there we have it. So the camera is basically working. I can change the name here if I want to. Of course, I'm gonna change that later. And I move my hand here. It takes a while. There are some delays with the Blink cameras. That's normal. I remove my hand and it's basically working, okay? So there you have it. That's the way you can set up your Blink Mini 2 camera. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.